Hi food lovers, welcome to my YouTube channel. In case you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and also leave the comment below and tell me what you think about this video. Today I'm going to show you how to make smoothie from the scratch, and today it's a different recipe. It's not like the one that I posted last time. This is a new recipe. Let me show you the ingredients and let's get started. And these are my ingredients that I'm going to use for the smoothie. I have 1 cup of spinach. I have 1 cup of carrots. 1 cup and a half, 1 cup and a quarter of carrots. Then over here I do have blueberries. Then over here I have 1 cup of strawberry, and over here I do have 1 cup of whole milk or milk. And first of all, what I'm going to do, I haven't chopped my carrots into small dice, but I just try to put them in all. Then after that, I'm going to add my spinach like so. If you want to be healthy, sometimes it's good to try different recipe. Then I'm going to add my blueberries. I didn't remove all this stuff because I like it that way. Then you can see the way it look like. Then the last, I'm going to add my all strawberries. Then after that, I'll have to press them inside. Then add some strawberry like so. You see that it look like? It look yummy. All good stuff are here. All good stuff are here. And what I'm going to do right now, I'll have to add the liquid, which is milk. Then after that, I'm going to cover my blender like so, and it's going to make a lot of noise, so just bear with me. Just bear. You see that it look beautiful, it look nice. Just give me seconds. I get prepared. Okay, as you can see, and now I'm going to press the on button. And our smoothie is ready. I'll have to serve here in the glass. It looks weird, but it's really healthy. Like so. And now it's time to try our smoothie to see how it tastes like. very refreshing. And also I can taste strawberry, I can taste spinach, I can also taste some little bit of carrots. And what else did they add here? It was carrots, it was spinach, strawberry, and blueberry. I can also taste blueberry. All good stuff. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and also leave the comment below and tell me what you think about the video. Cheers.